Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I am not the best at cutting a straight line, but these Crafters Companion scissors give such a smooth cut, and I'm just so pleased with the results I get when I use them. There is just so many excellent and unexpected features in these scissors. I love that they have measurements in inches that are engraved on both of the blades so I can see how much I'm cutting, which is great for card making as well as cutting fabric. And the blades are also coated in an adhesive resistant Teflon. So they cut through tape and washi really nicely without getting a lot of stickiness on them. And the size is great, a 9-inch size. The handles are really comfortable and ergonomic, so they're easy to hold and use, and especially if you're doing fussy cutting. They make it so much nicer to cut around all those edges. I just can't say enough about these Crafters Companion scissors. They're such a workhorse in my craft room and in my office. And that's my point of view.